What's up guys, today we are taking a look at the RingConn Smart Ring Gen 2 Gold Edition. This is the second generation smart ring from RingConn. It comes in different colors like silver, gold and rose gold, but I went with the gold version, so this review is based on my experience with that. Before ordering, RingConn actually sent me a free ring sizing kit. That's important because their size is different from normal US ring sizes. For example, my usual ring size is 12 for the ring finger, but as per their kit I needed the size 13, so I would highly recommend using their sizing kit before you place an order. When the ring arrived, my first impression was how premium it looked. The finishing is excellent, smooth even on the inside, which makes it comfortable to wear. The gold coating feels high quality, and after wearing it daily for over a month, including showers, washing my hands, oiling my hair and all sorts of daily use, the shine and color are still intact like new. The gold ring is made with a 75% pure gold blend and finished with ultra thin PVD vacuum plating for durability. I'm not sure about these tech words, but in general it means that its coating is very high quality and includes a 75% pure gold blend. It is incredibly lightweight, just 2 to 3 grams and only 2 millimeter thick, making it among the thinnest and lightest smart rings available on the market. Personally, I prefer a smart ring over a smartwatch for health tracking. Even though I own a Samsung smartwatch, I have never been able to get used to wearing it daily. But with this, I can wear it comfortably all day and even while sleeping. Plus, it works as a stylish accessory on my finger, so it doesn't look like tech at all, which is nice. Now let's talk about the main features and its sleep track. My main reason for buying this ring was sleep monitoring, especially the automatic sleep apnea tracking. I have struggled with sleep issues since the childhood, and I wanted a reliable way to measure my sleep health and see where I am right now. Fortunately, the results showed that I don't suffer from sleep apnea, so that's good. The ring doesn't just track sleep duration and stages, it also tracks blood oxygen, heart rate, skin temperature and respiratory rate while I sleep. It monitors blood oxygen every 2 seconds, the heart rate every 2.5 minutes with medical grade accuracy as per their claim. The app gives a detailed breakdown of sleep apnea metrics like apnea, hypopnea index, oxygen desaturation index and more. Considering that over a billion people worldwide suffer from sleep apnea and most go undiagnosed, having this kind of data at hand is really useful. On top of that, the ring also keeps an eye on abnormalities in vitals, so if something unusual is detected, it continues to track it, and if it is recurring, it will let me know so that I can check with my doctor. One tip I learned is that make sure you wear it correctly. The two bumps inside the ring should sit at the base of your finger so the sensors are aligned properly and it can take reading properly. Battery life is one of my favorite things about this ring. RingConn claims 10 to 12 days, and that's been accurate in my experience. I never really worried about charging it compared to a smartwatch which usually needs daily charging, and the difference is massive. With the charging case, I can charge it up to 20 times, giving me over 150 days of backup power with just the charging case and the ring itself. That's one of the big advantages of a smart ring like this. It is also IP68 waterproof. I don't need to worry about swimming, showers or workouts while wearing it. So you can use it like in your daily routine without even worrying about whether it is a special ring or a normal ring. So overall, my impressions of the RingConn Smart Ring Gen 2 Gold Edition are very positive. It is comfortable, durable, stylish, and the battery life is excellent. For me, it's been a better fit than wearing a smartwatch, especially for sleep tracking. So if it fits your health tracking needs and your budget allows it, I would definitely recommend it. So anyway, let me know about your thoughts as well. Take care of yourself. Bye.